Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to force CapCut Desktop to use your dedicated high-performance GPU. Standard Windows rules often assign video apps to integrated graphics, which chokes your timeline playback and slows down your rendering speeds. First, click the Start button and search for Settings or by clicking Windows key and I on your keyboard. Look at the left side menu layout and click on System, then shift your eyes to the right and click explicitly on Display. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the Display Options list and click on the option explicitly labeled Graphics. Look at the application list grid layout. If CapCut is not visible, click the Add Desktop app to browse your application. Navigate to this directory and select the CapCut application executable file to add it to the priority list. Once CapCut appears in your graphics list layout, click on it to expand the options block and click the GPU Preference drop-down menu. Click directly on High Performance. Now, launch CapCut and open the Settings menu. Navigate to the Performance tab, verify that your hardware encoding checkmarks are active, and click Save to experience zero-lag timeline tracking. And that's it! I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.